Tired of flat, uninspiring maps? Get ready to unlock a whole new dimension of exploration with Google Maps' incredible satellite view. Let's dive right into how you can switch to satellite mode and see the world as if you were flying high above it. First, open the Google Maps application on your device. Once you have your desired location displayed, look for a small icon, often a square or a stack of squares. Usually in the bottom right corner, this is your Layers button. Tap on this Layers button, a small menu will appear here. You'll want to select the option labeled Map Type. Within the Map Type options, you'll see different ways to view the map. Simply tap on Satellite. And just like that, your map will transform. You're now looking at a stunning, high-resolution satellite image of your chosen location. This view gives you an incredibly detailed aerial perspective. You can zoom in to see specific streets, buildings, parks, and even individual trees, all with realistic imagery. It's perfect for planning a hike, understanding your surroundings before you arrive, or simply satisfying your curiosity about the world. So go ahead, switch to satellite mode and start exploring the world in breathtaking detail. It's your journey, enhanced with real-life visuals. Happy navigating!